Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to change the theme for your reports. Themes let you personalize your report and enhance its visual appearance. Let's get started. Starting from the home page, we'll go to a report we made previously. We'll click on My Workspace. Then, we'll select the report we need. Next, click Edit to modify your report. Afterwards, we'll click on View and then select Theme. From here, you'll see a variety of themes organized into different categories. Hover over a theme to view its name, and then left-click on it to preview how it looks on your report in real time. And that's it! Feel free to explore different themes to find the one that best fits your report and data set. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.